Good morning. So, one more program regarding Unix operating system is shell script to delete all the temporary files. So, how to delete the all the temporary files from the particular shell script? So, we are using rm. Okay. So, rm command, in that rf remove files of temporary. So temporary with star mark. So once if you remove the all the temporary files, then the memory can be free and we can do any transaction successfully. So that is the program regarding the shell script to delete all the temporary files. So and after that, after temporary files program, to remove the temporary files program, you have to concentrate on the eighth program, that is to shell script for to search an element from an array using binary searching concept. So here, what is the binary searching concept? You know very well. A root is there, a parent is there. The parent contains left and right. Every node is having the left and right children. Suppose the data is available on root, no need to go for left and right. Suppose the data is not available, then you have to visit the left first, then you have to visit the right next. Suppose if the data is available on the left, no need to go for to perform the searching operations on the right side. అవసరం లేదు కదా మీకు. ఒకసారి లెఫ్ట్లో డేటా దొరికింది అనుకోండి, నో నీడ్ టు గో ఫర్ రైట్ సైడ్. దట్ ఈస్ ద రీజన్ you have to concentrate on to develop the shell script to search an element from an array using binary searching concept. For that, better to produce the limit first. How much data is want to kept in that program. You have to provide the limit first. After that, you have to call n, enter the value, enter the numbers. So for that we are using loop also. So here after the loop, here it is contains m value, that is read m. So index of first value is m. Next, I is equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. So this is the range and index of the values. I is equal to 1, I less than n, I plus plus. After that we are consider the j value. So here it makes some comparisons. What are the comparisons? What are the comparisons are there? Suppose a of j, suppose a of j greater than a of j plus 1, then a of j తీసుకోమంటున్నాడు. అప్పుడు a of j ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు a of j plus 1 చేయమంటున్నాడు, అసైన్ చేయమంటున్నాడు. అప్పుడు a of j plus 1 ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు t. So after that we are going to perform the sorted operations using of middle value. Using of middle value we can go for sorted operations. So suppose if the searching element is less than the middle value, then you have to take that particular area only. Don't go for greater than the middle values, because your searching element is less than the middle value. Middle maybe a position, whatever it is. Suppose your searching element is greater than the middle position, then you will go for another level. Don't go for the previous values, because your searching element is greater than the middle value na. That is the reason better to found that using of the elements by using middle value. So how to identify the middle value? The middle value can be identified using of the starting element and ending element, and both are you can divide with 2. If you divide with 2, it will produce us the middle value. If the middle value equal to the searching element, then the middle value becomes searching element. Suppose if the searching element less than the middle value, then you have to verify the less than the values on left hand side. Suppose if the searching element is greater than the middle value, then you can go to the right side of the middle పొజిషన్. సో ఈ విధంగా మీరు చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్తే ఇట్ విల్ ఐడెంటిఫై ది మిడిల్ పొజిషన్. సో హియర్ it is limit is 5 and the numbers are like that. So the sorted array, so the numbers have to identify the 7. So the 7 is identified in the position 5. How it is identified in the position 5? So have considered the middle position is 4. The searching element is greater than the middle position. That is the reason I have to verify it on the right side only, and I don't want to verify it on the left side. So like that it is produces the searching concept. Okay. Yeah. Thank you very much.